Hello, hello. Happy Friday to everybody. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Let's see. It is Friday afternoon. Thank God it is Friday. And let's see. We are getting ready for a super busy night here at Aroma Time. Our $9.99 special this week is barbecue chicken with coleslaw and potato salad to go. Let's see what else. We have our wine dinner on Monday night. I think we have 2 spots left for our wine dinner on Monday. It will sell out. We just got 2. Oh no?
No.
You don't know what we're doing yet?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Marcus told me we're doing something special for our wine dinner on Monday. What are we doing? We're going to do like a
brown bag.
A brown bag.
Guess
and
the
if
grape.
you guess the grape,
Guess the region, you'll get a prize.
so we just got a couple of wines in for that, was what I was going to say. So if you guess,
Okay,
what?
So we weren't going to tell them.
No. So we just got a few wines in for the wine dinner on Monday. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29 out in our garden. We only have 2 spots left for that. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Sven, hello Joel, hello Sean. I didn't hear your Facebook Live this morning. What did you talk about?
So I talked about how I'm going to brown bag the wines.
Perfect.
And let them guess.
Okay.
Like if they guess like the grape varietal, they get a certain percentage off or a prize.
Okay.
If they guess the region,
Someone said I'm thirsty.
they guess the region, we'll give them another percentage off.
Okay.
They're prizes to guess. We'll tell them at the end of the dinner what wines they drank.
Excellent.
So yeah.
Excellent. So let's see. Wine dinner on Monday night, a few spots available. Jazz every Thursday. Jazz has been busy, so if you want to come in on a Thursday night, please make reservations. The Shadowland Theater is open. I think they do shows Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday matinee. We highly recommend reservations for that. Recommend 6 o'clock reservations to make sure you're out the door by 7:45. Let's see, what else? I talked about our $9.99 barbecue chicken special to go. Our regular menu is available to go. And we got a new Mezcal in today. So let's see. Mezcal is, I'm not really good with knowing what all this stuff is. Marcus is going to talk about Mezcal, but it's smoked, right? Is it smoked?
Smoked.
Smoked agave?
Smoked. This is a type of agave.
A type of agave.
Yeah, there's
So-
a type of different types in
So-
the Blue Weber for tequila.
This is distilled from agave with natural flavors. This is Peloton de la Merte. How do you say it? I don't know how to say
Merte.
it. So I'm going to make a mezcal drink today. So we have 2 different mezcals. Marcus, what are the differences between the 2?
So the one with the white label is
This
from
one?
Espadín.
Espadín
is a region.
Okay.
The state of the region. And some mezcals typically have you hear of the chicken hanging over the distilling pot, and they drip the chicken in it. Basically, it's
Chicken juice? Is that
the
what it
chicken.
is?
They just hang a chicken carcass.
Okay.
They hang chicken on top of it.
Interesting.
And so some mezcals are not vegan. So in Espadín, the white label, they do not do the chicken tradition. No chicken tradition there. The other one from Guerrero is where they do the chicken tradition.
But this one...
That one, no chicken. That one has fruit. They hang tropical fruit on top of it. Lemons, limes, oranges is what they hang on top, and that slowly drips into the distillation, and that imparts flavor into the mezcal. So it has a very slight tropical citrus notes to it. So
I
really
haven't
good.
tasted this one yet. Did you pour this one, Marcus?
Right there.
So I'm going to taste it for the first time. Mezcal can be a little smoky.
I would taste this one first.
Okay. So
Don't forget we have a smokeless mezcal
we have a smokeless mezcal too. All
which
right.
is very, very rare.
Excellent. So I'm going to taste both of these mezcals. This is, where's this one from? Here's the smokeless mezcal. So what's
Espadín.
Espadín. So what is the process of making mezcal?
Digging a pit,
Okay.
throwing all the big agave heads into the pit.
Ooh.
Doing a pit with wood, charcoal, wood, throwing it on top, burying it, covering it with a tarp, soil, tenting, a smokestack in the middle, and letting it cook for a week.
Oh, wow. And what do they just keep like turning it over?
You don't touch it.
You don't touch it?
No, it's buried.
Okay.
It's traditionally buried.
Okay.
And then from there, they unearth.
This is really good.
Right?
This is really good. You get that fruit
You
flavor
got the
in
fruit
there.
notes in it, yeah.
Can't I use this one for our
You can.
drink today?
You can.
I like this one.
So they unearth it, and then they distill it.
Okay.
Mezcal is much more primitive than tequila. Tequilas are done in big factories. Mezcals are typically done under a roof, in a pit, much more primitive and not as big and fancy like the big distilleries, the tequila distilleries. So if you're looking for like a more handcrafted product, mezcals are the way to go. And then don't forget, you also have, besides mezcal, you have sotol. Want to grab the bottle of sotol over there, made from the desert cactus.
Desert cactus.
This desert spoon cactus, which is the only one out of the three that's made from wild harvested cactus. Mezcal is cultivated, that agave, and so is tequila.
Smokeless. Sotol,
which is a totally different spirit. That's from Durango and Chihuahua, is where they make sotol. Those are the two regions. That's one's from Durango.
And then you have mezcal.
Mezcal.
Excellent. So I'm going to make a drink with mezcal. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of mezcal. I hope this is good. I haven't had it yet, but I really like this mezcal. So 2 ounces of mezcal. I'm going to add some grapefruit juice. So a splash of grapefruit. I think Marcus is waiting to taste this.
Yep.
And then I'm going to top it off with some soda.
Soda or tonic?
Oh, tonic. Sorry, yes, tonic. Well, it has soda and tonic in it now. It'll be good anyway. I think it might need a little more grapefruit juice, actually. Let's see. I think it needs a little bit more grapefruit juice. All right, there you are. Cheers. Let's see, what else do we have coming up, Marcus? It's almost Labor Day. I can't believe it already. It's crazy that it's almost Labor Day. Thank you, everybody, for watching me.
That's good.
I appreciate it. Let's see who is on. We have lots of people on. We have Sean, we have Jennifer, Joel, Rebecca, Susan, Michael, Joel. Yeah, lots of people watching me today. So this is really good. So mezcal. Oh, I don't want to spill it. So mezcal. This mezcal has a fruit flavor to it. It's really good.
Fruit is hung over. So any mezcal from Espadín is most likely going to have the chicken hung on top of it. If you don't want a chicken in your mezcal, then you need to go to Espadín. Espadín has no chicken. There's other regions too that make mezcal.
Okay.
But this one from Guerrero uses fruit, thus imparts the fruit flavors.
Excellent. Perfect. So we will see everybody soon. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. And hopefully tomorrow, if anybody's around, Marcus and I are going to be at Bashakil Winery tomorrow around noon. Albie is playing there tomorrow, so we're going to go for a few hours in the afternoon, have a glass of wine, sit and listen to some music. I don't know what time he starts playing though. Do you know? 2 o'clock. So we'll catch him for a few hours. If you want to come join us, please come join us at Bashakil Winery in Wirksboro. And cheers. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Maybe I'll be on tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a live from Bashakil. If not, maybe Sunday I'll get on. And if not, I will see you on Monday. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Stay dry. Hopefully it won't rain. And tonight is Market on Market. It's going on from 4 to 8. So it's going on now till 8 o'clock on Center Street and Market. Lots of what do you call them? Vendors that are there. So that's it. Cheers to you, and we will catch you all soon. Have a great weekend.